Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Bobbin here if you didn't already know that, and welcome to my first crocheting vlog. So me and my sisters were biking earlier today, and then we decided that we wanted to start doing like crocheting vlogs, like just vlogging our everyday life. It doesn't necessarily have to like include crocheting, like it will, like crochet related things, but we wanted something more chill where we can just crochet and just vibe, you know, just something just vibey. So we decided that we're just gonna do crocheting vlogs. And then literally today I saw like all the yarn that I have never used. I plan to use it, but then I transitioned over to cotton, and I saw all my acrylic yarn, and I went into Twin Swim and I was like, we should like sell all of this yarn because it's just sitting here, nobody's using it, and I'll probably never use it, honestly. So we decided to just sell it and get rid of it. And then I was like, we should just turn that into like a crochet vlog. So this is the first crochet vlog. I actually plan to do a crochet vlog like next week or something after I finish the project I'm working on. But then this idea just came out of the blue, so I was like, let's do it now. Let's do it now. So we're doing it now. I'll insert a clip of all the yarn we're going to be organizing in this video. And again, this is a vlog, so I'm going to be showing like what I'm eating, what I'm doing throughout, like in between organizing. So it's really just going to be like a day in the life of me, but you know, something like that. So after this, I'm probably gonna go eat some cereal, just something quick so we can get organizing, because we have a lot of yarn, like a lot. I don't even know why we bought so many. Like, we're just people who buy yarn unnecessarily. Like, if we need 3 balls for a project, we will literally buy like 10 for no reason. Like, we need 3, why do we need 10? I don't know. That's what we do, and that is why we ended up with so much yarn. So we're gonna get rid of all of it today. We're gonna organize it. Hopefully we get everything organized and on our site today, and we'll see. So I'm just gonna be chilling, just organizing, and then I'll show what I do like in between, you know, just really chilling. And yeah, I don't even know if I'll actually be crocheting in this vlog, even though it's a crocheting vlog, but it's just called a crocheting vlog because it's gonna be crochet related things. But I won't necessarily always be crocheting in it. It's just a day in the life of me, really. So that's what's happening. And also my sister Crochet with Kay, we on a bike ride, we always talk about like crocheting things, what we can do differently to, you know, to spice up the crochet community. And she thought to create her own podcast, so that's going to be coming soon, so tune into that. I'll link her channel. Her channel will be linked in my description. I was going to say bio description, and so you can check that out whenever. So you can check her channel out to see when she drops her podcast, or you know that. So I think that's all I have to say for now. I think that's it. If I don't have anything, if I do have anything else to say, I'll just clip it. I mean, I'll just, you know the drill. But that's it. So I'm gonna go eat breakfast now, and then I'm going to start organizing all of this yarn. It's gonna be crazy, but I'm excited. I don't even know why. I just feel like so like energetic. Like I just want to jump on the roof. And anyway, okay, that's it. Okay, bye. Okay, so all the yarn is here and we're all here. Me, Crochet with Kay, and Papa Kelly. No. And now we're gonna start organizing. So me and Kay will be organizing all the yarn, and we're gonna do it by brand, so like Red Heart, Impeccable, Paint Box, and then we'll figure out the color situation later. Yes, I did steal that line from you, but yeah, so we'll figure out the color situation later, but we're gonna organize it, and then Callie will be winding up all the scrap yarn and my mom in the back. Callie will be winding up all the scrap yarn, so we'll turn it into little cakes. And yeah, so let's get right into it. This is all Impeccable yarn. So now we're gonna organize it, and then we're gonna put it in this bin right here. There's more Impeccable. Like,
more Impeccable. We can swim in Impeccable right now.
All right. Okay, so we separated everything, and this is all of the Impeccable, just Impeccable. Like, I think we probably have more Impeccable than any other yarn, which is insane because we recently just started using Impeccable yarn.
Right! Like why do we have so many?
I don't know, but there's Copy Kelly.
Yes.
Over here winding.
Oh,
yeah, she's a good one. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a picture and then we're gonna put it in that bin right there. Okay, so we organized the yarn, Impeccable yarn, in the bin. We color coordinated, and now it's time to move on to Red Heart, and then that's Paint Box right here. Okay, now I'm going to gather all the Red Heart and dump it over there. Okay, so we organized all of the Red Heart. We got lazy. Well, actually, we did color coordinate the first time, but then we had to take it out and recount. So after we recounted, we were like, who cares? But it's organized, and it filled another bin, and now it's time for Paint Box. So we finished the paint box set. It's right here. My camera's on a tripod, but it's right here. And we just took pictures. We just took pictures of them, and then we dumped it back in a duffel bag. And now we're going to organize this random set of yarn that's just random. And yeah.
Oh, you're ugly.
Sorry. Okay, so I think we're done, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay, so we finally finished organizing all the yarn. I didn't even know it would take this long. I should have known it would have taken. I would have known, right?
I should have known this would have taken this long.
I should have known it would have been this long to organize everything, because we literally have over 100 balls of yarn, like over 100. Why did we have that? I don't know. Where were we storing it? I don't know.
For real, we just took all this yarn out of where? I don't know.
Right. So we finally finished. I stopped recording because I got enough footage of organizing everything, and all the other yarn was like scrap, not really scrap, but it was like random yarn. It didn't matter. But here's this duffel bag of yarn, then there's this duffel bag, and then that bag, and then my sister is still making cakes out of the yarn. You can see over there.
No, you got the zoomies.
And she still has that box to do. But me and this sister, we're done with what we're doing. And my battery's about to die. Oh my god. But yeah, we're done. So I don't know what we're doing next, but you know, I'll just continue off. Okay, bye. Okay, so now I'm actually going to edit all the pictures I just took right there, make sure it's all nice and neat looking, and then I'm going to put it on the site and then put all the prices and everything, and then that should be it. So I have to edit like 15 pictures, and then I have to add descriptions for everything so people know like what exactly percentage type of fiber it is, you know, all that good stuff. So that's probably gonna take another hour or so to do, but I'm probably gonna take a break right now. Probably not though, I'm not really hungry. No, I'm not gonna take a break. Actually, yes I will, because I will eat some moon pies. I want some moon pies. So I'm gonna go eat some moon pies, and then I'm gonna come back. Yeah, I think we have like 2 more. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll come back and start typing everything up and editing. It's actually called marshmallow pies, but Okay, so I edited all the pictures, and now I'm on my laptop going putting them all on the website now. So yeah, so it is 18, my bad. So it's 6:18 and we are still here. My sister's still caking up stuff. These are all the cakes she made, plus some over there, and then some right here with my cat. And well, her cat is actually Copy Callie's cat, but we just say ours. Well, anyway, that doesn't even matter. But I finished putting everything on the site except the cakes because she's still caking them up. I think that's the right term. I don't even know why I'm saying that. Okay, so she's still caking them up, and then after she's done, I'll put those on the site, and then everything should be ready. Like literally, I did not expect it to take all day. I haven't done anything else but this. Like I've been in my mom's office all day just doing this, and I'm tired. but it's fine because we needed to get rid of all this yarn. It was just here for no reason when other people can be using it for their projects, because I'm not using this yarn again. I'm only gonna be using like cotton yarn, and I'm over my acrylic adventure because I done a lot of projects with acrylic. So now I just want to transition over to cotton, which is why we're just getting rid of all the acrylic, because all of us have transitioned to cotton yarn. So that's that on that. And I'm pretty sure that's it for now, maybe. Okay, so about the yarn, like I would say like 80% of them, they're brand new yarn that we have not used whatsoever. You can literally see the packaging on all of them. And then we have the yarn cakes. So we're gonna have a lot available. If you don't want yarn cakes, we'll have the regular one available. If you like yarn cakes, we'll have yarn cakes available. So we'll have a variety of yarn for you guys to get. And now we're going to, I already took pictures of the yarn cake for the site, and now we're going to just organize it into the bin right here, and then that will be it. See ya. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. I forget these outros all the time, so I don't have to think about it. I think that's really it. If you guys have any video suggestions, you can comment down below what you want me to see for this.
What you want me to see?
What you want. Geez, my brain is scrambled. What you want to see from me with like my vlogs and stuff, or just crocheting in general, it doesn't matter. I think that's it now. Okay, bye. Say hi, Thundy. Hi. Don't be mean. Say hi, Onyx. Hi. Hi, Fury. Hi.
My name's Jeff.